Smoke until the stupid state, stay until it's late. Sweet like chocolate cake, tart just like the shit I roll off paper plates. Search for sweet escape because inside I feel I'm dying slow. I tell you all that.
What is going on, my dogs? Another beautiful day in Florida. We had a little tropical storm, or I guess in Florida terms it's a tropical storm, but it's a category 1 hurricane that came through last night and pretty much flooded out a bunch of stuff. I got some footage last night on my story. Hopefully you guys saw that. I'll probably save it and post it again. But yeah, we were just hot dogging in the truck out, freaking just checking out the damage, you know. But yeah, today is auction day. We're at the auction right now, looking through a couple of things, and I'm trying to buy some cars, you know, but we'll see what happens. I don't know what the hell is going on in Florida's car market right now. It just is not doing, it's just not good. It really isn't. So yeah, check out the digs right here. Today's episode is sponsored by Bobby's Backyard Auto Works, man. He's a great dude. Honestly, has a really good channel, very insightful, very informative. So if you haven't, you know, checked that out yet, definitely go ahead and do that. It's Bobby's Backyard Auto Works. He's on YouTube, Instagram, all that stuff. So definitely check him out. Hook me up with a shirt because, you know, I don't know, we're homies now. So you know how that works. But yeah, without further ado, let's hop right into it. You know, 2010 Corolla. This is a nice little car. Looks good, right? 114,000 miles, everything's checking out. And then you're like, God, dude, freaking bomb went off in here. People are such scuzzballs, dude. Look, the seat's not even in there. Seat's not even in there. Bunch of trash back here. You know this is a chick's car. It's like stuff in here, kid stuff. She's got kids. There's ketchup packets and Wawa and blunt guts. Freaking lanyards and bottles of water that aren't drank. Got some Lay's. Toyota Tampa Bay, let's see. I'm about to oust you. Dude, this is so bad, dude. This is so disgusting, man. Huh. I can't believe they even bought this from this chick, dude. This thing is freaking gnarly. I mean, I guess I could buy it, freaking clean it and paint it and shit, but sounds like she runs good. Oh, wow, dude. What is going on, dude? This thing is not worth anything, bro. It's worth $2 grand. Dude. All the clips are busted. Holy fuck, man. Unbelievable. It needs paint like so bad. Looks like it runs okay. I'm looking for a car for my girlfriend, but I don't know if this is the one. Dude, what'd they drive through? Look at that. Oh my God, they drove through like tar. That's tar, dude. Holy crap, the whole car is fucking coated in. Whoever owned this is a dipshit, for real. I'm just skipping this one. Valve sounds, no thank you. I'm skipping this one hard. This is a hard no. Oh my God. Filthy human. Disgusting. Like dildo mount up there. But, dude, no thank you. Look at this. Dude, you know this thing has been beat. Oh my God, look at this freaking, this is a junkyard car. This is a junkyard car, hands down. That ain't coming back. It's on coilovers though, for sure. I wanted this one. Stahlgrau metallic, freaking 330xi. But everything checked out too. Nice car, AC works, everything's good. But then I popped the hood and I'm like, dude, what is this? Look at it. Look at that. That is not normal. I've seen a million of these things. I'm telling you right now, I have never seen that before. It looks like they took oil and water and coolant and mixed it up and just dumped it on everything. I don't know what is going on, but there's no coolant in here either. The oil looked okay, but I really think this car's been overheated multiple times and it's probably smoked. It runs good. It doesn't smoke, but there's no water in it, so there's probably nothing for it to smoke. They probably did that on purpose. So I think it's got a blown head gasket, which sucks. It's Stahlblau, not Stahlgrau, Stahlblau metallic. It's a beautiful color too. Car looked really nice. Would have been a nice one. 2004 330xi facelift, or 2003 rather. But this is the DP lane. This is where all the shitty cars come, and sometimes they can be really nice if you know what you're looking for, but sometimes they are not at all. Check that out. Got a V8, short cab, short bed, single cab, short bed, full Magnaflow or Flowmaster. 15,000 miles, 2017. This thing's cherry, brother. I would drive this any day of the week. This is perfect daily for me. Plenty of freedom under the hood. Sounds good. Nice on the inside. The cockpit's really nice. I like these new Chevy trucks, and I like that it's a short bed single cab. Like that's, to me, that's so cool. It looks good, and it's one of those. It's a sport truck, is what it is, you know. So, not too bad. There's not a lot. I mean, there's a lot of stuff out here. Just like a lot of expensive stuff. You know, it's hard to sell this kind of shit. You want to get stuff that's like under 2,500 bucks to sell. You know, right around that price range is pretty common for people to have that much money. Anything over that, people start having to finance it, and then it gets muddy with banks, and like, I'm good. Sell the cheap stuff for now. This color combo is off the chain, dude. It is insane. Look at this look at the black stripes. Black on silver. Black interior. Like, wham, dude. This thing is bitching, dude. I'm buying one of these one day. I'm buying one. I don't care. 2018 SRT. Really nice hood. Wow. It's like, man, it don't get much better as far as, you know, domestic sports cars. Like, it really doesn't. Not in my opinion. Dodge freaking killed it. It's crazy how wide that belt is too. It's like an inch and a half. That was a nice cold start though, huh? It's like, oh, aluminum hood. Don't crack the paint, big homie. There you go. It's like, boy, this thing is so sick, dude. Dodge did such a good job with their freaking, listen to that. Damn, dude. Dodge did such a good job with it. I say it every single time. And I get to see all these because this is where all the off-lease cars come. So it's like, I wish I had the money to just be buying all these damn things, honestly, because you could make money off of just shipping them around the country. But wow, dude, so sick. This is one of the best daily drivers out right now, hands down, for sure. It's streetable every single day, and it's 800 horsepower, or what, 600 horsepower, 800, one of them right there. It's freaking crazy fast. They don't even let you drive them here because you'll hurt yourself. Some people will. Not me though. You know, I really wasn't even gonna film this thing, but it's like, it's really, these are getting rare, at least to find in the old cars. Like the W platform's kind of cool. It's pretty much what the Bugatti's based on, you know, essentially. I mean, loosely based on, but same kind of concept, you know. And it's like, this car was cool when it came out, I guess. Somebody liked it, but not me. I mean, let's see if it starts here. Oosha, look at that. That's pretty weird, eh? It's just melted in the Florida sun. I mean, she runs. I bet it's quick, honestly. I bet it's faster than you think it is. Check engine light, ABS, light, traction controls all on. No thank you. Thanks, y'all. Beetle S, Turbo S. Dude, you don't see, just these bumpers are worth money. You know what I'm saying? It runs good. I started it. Runs good, drives good. 6-speed. It's like, dude, this thing's bitching, man. It's got the motor's strong in it too. It felt good. Clutch felt good. AC doesn't work. But like, legitimately, Turbo S right here, bam. If it sells for $1,000 bucks, it's worth it, dude. You know, just the bumpers and the hatch are worth that. But it does have some rust. I'm sorry it's so windy right now. It does have a little rust right there, and a couple other spots too, the corners. but it's a cool car. Whoever had it put some Pirellis on it. They spent money on it, you know. Really don't see those things very often anymore. I'm gonna try to bid on this one. Hopefully make it happen. I've never seen somebody do this modification before. The zip tie mirror mod, it's kind of tight. It's like, dude, you can't pop the hood. Hood won't close. Spilled their coffee in here like 100 times, never cleaned it. It's like, dude, out, goodbye. It's like the day after a hurricane, I said that earlier, and like every single car smells like a moist belly button. I can't even explain it to you. It's like every one of them, dude, smells like a moist belly button. It's disgusting. How many miles are on this thing? It's Duramax. Freaking 270,000 miles. Does she start? Let's see. Oh, she purrs. She purrs. Change oil soon. Dang. There's another Chevy SSR over here. It looks a little better in black, honestly. That like purple didn't do it for me. It does look a little better in black though. It's not bad. Yeah, black's definitely a better color for sure. It's weird they're automatic, dude. Oh, look how high up you sit too. Like the center of gravity cannot be good in this car. It's like you're riding on a truck chassis or something. It's very odd. It's just a totally an odd car. It really is. I don't know. I don't know why they thought this was a good idea. And like this fender, it's just like, this is so unshapely. They don't look good, you know? How do you pop the freaking hood under this thing? There you go. Oh, wow. There's your LS. I don't know if it's, I think it's a 6-liter, but it's kind of crazy. Vortec. That's about all you get. That's about the coolest part of this whole car. Oh, it was painted black. Painted black, aftermarket, which does look a whole lot better, but imagine having a red car with that interior. That's why this is red. It looks like shit. Should have painted the door jambs at least. It's odd. What in the Sam hell is going on here? Just so odd that you would just wrap the front bumper in total carbon fiber vinyl, and then you'd come up here and wrap all this stuff in black or paint it black. Oh no, it's got a black roof. This is all actually black. Why would you just wrap the front bumper? That makes no sense to me. It's really weird. Otherwise, clean car. Otherwise, really clean car. Paint under the bumper's probably shot. That's why. It's an E-Class. Crazy. What is an E350? Boom. E350. Bam. I love the E's body. Like the body style, the lines are perfect. But definitely passing on that one. Kind of a boring episode. I'm gonna shove some other stuff in here from just like random auction trips beforehand. Probably not gonna say that either, but so that's pretty much it. I'm gonna conclude right there. Thank you very much for tuning in and supporting this channel. We're growing, and it makes me really happy. And yeah, it's really fulfilling to be able to put your work and time into something and then have it, you know, actually come to fruition. So I do appreciate it very much. If you can, check out the website, theauctiondog.com. We got some merch on there. We have a bunch of stuff on there. Keep up with our videos, our projects, whatever else, and it's constantly being updated. So thank you very much, you know, for doing that as well. If you can, like, subscribe, leave a comment, tell us what your favorite pick was from today, and yeah, catch up with you later. Peace out, dogs.